Hi, I'm Liam, the workshop manager at Porsche in Doncaster. We're here to talk about the 964 Carrera today. The Porsche 964 Carrera 4 was introduced in 1989 with a new intelligent all-wheel drive system derived with experience gained from the revolutionary 959. Featuring a 3.6 litre engine, it produces 250 brake horsepower at 6100 RPM thanks to its use of dual ignition distributors and 11.3:1 compression ratio. This allows for acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 5.7 seconds. The 964 Carrera 4 was the first 911 to feature ABS braking as standard, with remarkable stopping power from its 4-piston calipers fitted to both the front and rear axle. It was also the first 911 to feature independent front and rear coil spring suspension, power-assisted steering and climate control air conditioning. Here at Porsche Centre Doncaster, we have the experience, know-how and ability to service, maintain or restore your pride and joy Porsche classic sports car. Restoring this particular 964 Carrera using only approved genuine parts, we have leased a new life for future generations to enjoy over many more years to come. If you have any further interest in Porsche Classic, please feel free to contact us at Porsche Centre Doncaster. Thank you for watching our video today.